I tried everything and searched everywhere to find the answer on how to get the bleach stains off from your sink. This is a stainless steel sink, and I'm excited to share with you the solution on how to remove bleach stains from your sink.
My sink had major bleach stains, and now they are all coming off thanks to
the trusty Barkeeper's Friend cleanser and the Zep stainless steel cleaner and polisher. But the hero in this game was definitely the Scotch-Brite Advanced Extreme Scrub scour pads. And it works so well, I was like, maybe I should clean my air fryer. This is the before picture, and check out the after. Not perfect, yet still a huge transformation. Barkeeper's Friend definitely helped in this situation, especially on the inside. I would recommend using the Zep only on the outside of the air fryer if you need. But this remedy does work for stainless steel. I'm just so happy I ran into it, and quite honestly, I didn't find the answer on the internet. It was simply a lot of trial and error. Hope this helps you, and don't forget to follow.